At Mir, we offer flexible, user-friendly automation of any internal transportation task. And when it comes to heavy-duty operations, our autonomous mobile robots, Mir 500 and Mir 1000, will revolutionize your internal logistics. The Mir 500 can carry payloads weighing up to 500 kilos, and the Mir 1000 can transport payloads up to an astonishing 1,000 kilos. This means that the entire range of Mir robots can be controlled by the same fleet and used at the same time. The flexible robots can be redeployed for different tasks by changing the top module, which allows you to transport a wide variety of items. Imagine a fleet of collaborative mobile robots that could optimize your workflow, increase productivity, and reduce costs. What if it was 100% automated and could collaborate with employees? And what if it was fast and easy to integrate into any type of factory layout? The top modules are easy to change, so the robot can be redeployed for different tasks, whether transporting small, medium, or large items. We've got the solution to automate your internal transportation. Get in touch with us today and learn more about how we can help make your item transportation easy, fast, and reliable. Mir. Transport anything, anywhere.